Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about computers, an invention that changed our way to perform many tasks. It is a walk in a park when you have got to do an assignment and you have a computer or laptop with you. But what if, due to some software or hardware issues, your mouse doesn't work? So, to find solutions about such kind of problems, Leaf Creative Minds brings to you 7 basic tips and tricks about how to use the shortcuts from keyboard that will save your time as well as will make you learn how to work more professionally. Let's start. Here are some tips and tricks which you can use to work very easily and without touching your mouse for once. Let's start. Say suppose you are on the desktop of your computer or laptop. Now, how would you go to My Computers on your PC or laptop without even touching the mouse? The answer is you have to press the Windows key and the letter E. I repeat again, here in the screen you can see Windows key plus E has been written. So to be very clear, you don't have to press 3 keys. All you have to press is 2 keys, that is Windows key and the letter E. Next comes how to close any app or windows. So for the shortcut key for doing the same is Alt and F4. Third one, how to refresh your screen. All you have to do is to press F5. The fourth one is to select any program icon on your desktop. Say suppose you are out of your mouse or your mouse isn't working. So to click any of the icon, first you have to select any one icon on your desktop and then you can move the selection with the help of up, down, left and right arrow keys. So to select any icon on your Windows desktop, all you have to do is press the Windows key and the letter T on your keyboard. Next comes the 5th shortcut, which says that how to switch or browse through all the windows that you have minimized. Say suppose you have opened a browser, you have opened your My Computer option, you have opened a Windows or Word file, and all you have to do is you have to press Alt and Tab to browse through all of them one by one. 6th one is how to minimize any program or any windows easily through shortcut. All you have to do is to press the Windows button and the letter D. Last but not the least, how to find the rebooting and other control options. For these, all you have to do is press 3 buttons. From 1 to 6, the tips and tricks I have given you, it requires only 2 buttons, but the last one for rebooting and other control options, you have to press 3 buttons. or three keys, you may say. So first is Alt and then Shift and then Del. Pressing these three buttons will give you an option. A pop-up screen will appear on your desktop asking you to reboot, change your password, or to end any process. I have given you a picture just for the ease of your understanding. Here you can see inside the yellow box the Windows key has been shown, and on the left hand corner upper side the button or the key tab has been underlined with a red line. So please don't forget these shortcut keys, which can come handy when you want to work in a very easy and a time managing way. So for new updates and some more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel Live Creative Minds.